In this video, we'll show you the right way to turn around sharp corners smoothly and safely. Plus, we'll cover forward turning techniques to help you master every turn with confidence. Let's get started. Never cut the corner. Always maintain control and take the turn the right way. Step 1. Position yourself correctly. Keep a safe distance from the curb and align your side mirror with the edge of the turn. Step 2. Turn the steering wheel. Rotate your steering wheel fully in the direction of the turn. Step 3. Straighten out. Once your rear wheel crosses the edge of the turn, gradually straighten the steering wheel to align with the road. Want to turn in the opposite direction? Just follow the same steps in reverse.